In this episode of Cobb TV, we are going to be learning how to play Freaks by Surf Curse. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. Now, much appreciation and shout out to Nick Rattigan, a fellow singing drummer who I admire their modern punk rock style of playing. At least that's what I would call it. And basically, we have kick drum on all fours throughout the whole song. And we're about 180 BPM on the recording. Floor tom's going to be playing eighth notes over the top of the kick drum. Next, let's add the snare. We're basically playing the 2 and 4 backbeat, but every 4 bars, we're going to do a 16th note on the very end, on the of 4. You can also play that 16th note on the floor tom. I've seen him do it both ways live, both on the snare and on the floor tom. On the original recording, it's kind of hard to tell which one it is because the snare is tuned so low and it's got that garage rock snare kind of a sound. Again, you can go either way with that. I kind of prefer the snare because that's what's going to happen when we move to the ride cymbal. But before we move to the ride cymbal, every time we go to the chorus, we're going to hit quarter notes on the snare for 1 measure, and then we're going to add that 16th right in there right before going into the ride cymbal. Here it is slow. And when we're on the ride cymbal, we're doing 8th notes on the ride cymbal, and then we're playing the surf beat on the snare. Still keeping that kick drum pulse steady. Every 4 bars, we're going to do that quarter note snare cadence that we did before going into the ride cymbal, and we're going to do that 16th note into a crash cymbal. Here it is again, slow. And that's basically how you play Freaks by Surf Curse, at least all the drumming parts. Definitely watch some of the live videos. It's insane how fast Nick likes to push the tempo on that song. And again, just get to know how the song goes. You kind of have cues with the vocals when going into the chorus parts. And that ride cymbal part only happens twice. You only get 2 shots at it. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave a comment on any other songs that you would like to learn on the drums. But in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and